My name is Katie Frey. Our company is Frey Manufacturing, and we are based out of Norwood, Young America, Minnesota.
My name is Mike Frey. I'm President and CEO of Frey Manufacturing. The products we manufacture are signal mounting hardware, specifically also to hold the signals onto the poles. We also manufacture the signal poles themselves. And one of the things we always say is that when you're building your intersection, just ask yourself if you'd like fries with that.
My father-in-law, Bob Frey, started the company back in 1981, and he initially started with a plumizer. After a while, he was approached to get into making poles and bases, which led today to us being in 28 states.
I think one of the unique characteristics about being a family business is that we're still largely customer-focused, service-oriented. A lot of businesses are being bought up, and then that accountant comes in with those investment firms and with a green visor and a sharp pencil, and some of that goes away. But maintaining a family business, we're able to maintain those relationships with people, with also providing a good product that we're personally family vested in to succeed. One of the unique things about our products versus our competitors is more of the policy behind things. Ours are breakaway tested according to the latest AASHTO/MASH 2016 standards, and we plan to keep those standards up to date with our products as well. So we offer two different styles of signal poles, one with a larger base, one with a smaller footprint. And the larger base is a lot more accepted for standard traffic signals that go over 10 feet. And our smaller base is also breakaway and tested by MASH standards. It's one of those ones where if you get into the tighter historical areas, a little less real estate to work with there, it's easier to put those down, especially for ADA compliance with our smaller base. IMSA is always thankful for the vendors that come here, but the vendors, especially we at Frey, are thankful to be a part of what they're doing as well. Not only are the participants getting their certifications and excelling in their careers, but the vendors are able to stay up to date and speak with other vendors, and also the installers who are actually putting our products on the field. We can get feedback from them, and then we can make a better product for them to install.